Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video, you might be checking out Pepperjam, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to pick products, sell it online, make money? Are they legit, or is this a big waste of time, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online, all sorts of different networks, business models, courses. Some of them are great, some of them so-so, some of them are a waste of time. So let's check out Pepperjam to find out whether this is a good way for you to start earning income online, all right? Now, Pepperjam is a very large affiliate marketing network. That means you can come here, you can partner up with different brands, and I'll show you some of the brands in a second, and you can sell, recommend them online, and when somebody purchases from your link, you'll make a commission. It's pretty cool, all right? Now, Pepperjam is actually owned by eBay, all right? They were bought over by eBay quite a while ago. They were rebranded, and then they were rebranded back to Pepperjam. They've been around for quite a long time, over 20 years, right? Pepperjam has about 900 plus brands that they work with, okay? So I'm going to show you that in a second. And then they have two types of sales that you can make, CPA and CPS. So that means CPA is cost per acquisition, CPS is cost per sale. That means that with a CPA offer, you need your user to complete a certain task. So they either need to fill out an application form, they need to set up their member account and put their credit card details or anything like that. And if they complete a specific action, you get paid directly through Pepperjam for that action. Or it could just be a straight up sale. So let's just say you're selling a particular brand. If somebody buys from your link, you will get a commission. We'll talk about the commission levels in a second here, okay? So these are some of the companies that they work with. So they work with a very wide range of companies, right? So in all sorts of different niches, they've got Honey, they've got Condé Nast, they've got Skim Links, they have Shop at Home, Reward Style. So a lot of these are service style companies, right? This is a link company. Condé Nast is a travel company. Shop at Home is an e-commerce company, right? Groupon is a discount coupon company, as you probably know. Offers.com is a cashback offers platform, right? So they work with a lot of different types of companies. Coupons, Flex Offers, which is an affiliate network, Shop Style, Deal Moon, Couponology, Ebates, BuzzFeed, which is actually an information website, Daily Beast, so websites like this, right? Now, in order for you to leverage this, usually you need to be one of these types of people, right? You need to either be an affiliate marketer, like a marketer like I am, for example, or an individual who wants to just market products online, or you need to be an influencer. All right, someone who has already got a pretty big following. Maybe you've got a big following on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, and you want to leverage some of these products and recommend them to your user base so that they can make a purchase and then you can make some money that way. This might be a good way for you to do that, all right? Now, in order for you to sign up, you just come into the Publishers, Partners, and Influencers section, okay? And then you would scroll down, look for the apply button. So just become a partner, and once you click on become a partner, you'll come to the partner registration, right? Now, the thing that you need to understand about not only Pepperjam, but a lot of these big affiliate networks is a lot of them do require you to have some experience, okay? The nice thing though is that they're available in almost every single country around the world. So that's really cool, because other affiliate networks, some of them only allow the big English-speaking countries, which kind of sucks because there are a lot of people from all over the world that want to sell products online, but some of the big, other networks, they don't allow that. But Pepperjam does, which is cool, right? Now, the thing is, you do need a bit of experience, because when you come down here to the publishing channels, right, they want to know, where do you have your presence? Are you on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WeChat, Weibo, Twitch, right? And where are you, where are you getting your, where are people coming from? Are they coming from, Australia? Are they based in Japan? Are they based in the United States? That kind of thing, right? They want top countries, and then they want to know, what kind of categories do you promote as well, okay? And also they might ask you for, how much traffic are you getting? So if you're not getting that much traffic, they might not approve your application, all right? So you just need to be a little bit careful about that, you may or may not get your account approved, all right? So just keep that in mind when you are actually making an application for Pepperjam, for you to actually sign up with them, okay? Now, they pay only through PayPal, so you must have a PayPal account, otherwise you can't get paid. But the great thing is you can just sign up for PayPal for free at paypal.com. They pay on the 1st and the 15th of every month through PayPal. There is a 60-day net payout period. That means that if you make the sale today, you have to wait for 60 days before you get paid out through PayPal, and they have a $25 threshold. That means you must make at least 25 bucks to get paid out. This is pretty standard with all affiliate marketing networks. Usually it's 30 to 60 days before you get paid. It's very normal. So you do need to kind of build up a bit of momentum, a rolling 60-day period before you get paid. But that's pretty normal if you're going to be doing this for the long term, okay? Now, overall, I think Pepperjam is a pretty cool affiliate marketing network. Now, they don't have as many brands as some of the other big networks out there, but I think that, 900 plus brands is not bad for you to check out, okay? So 900 plus brands that you can check out, scroll around and see what actually fits your needs and your user base. The only thing that I would say about Pepperjam, just like a lot of affiliate marketing networks, is that they don't teach you how to market. So if you're experienced, maybe you're an affiliate marketer already, you're just looking for more products, or you're an influencer, you already have a big blog, thousands of people are coming to your website every single day, or maybe you have a big following on social media, this could be an easy way to just kind of slip some of these products in, especially if they're in the right industry, the right niche for you to sell. But if you're watching this and you're an absolute beginner, that means you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, you have no following, you're not an influencer, you don't have a big blog or website, then this might be a little bit tough just to start, because they don't actually teach you how to do that. But don't worry, stick till the end, because I'll show you exactly how you can get started and make some really good income with affiliate marketing, even if you're an absolute beginner, okay? So that's the only thing about Pepperjam. And a lot of these affiliate networks, they don't teach you how to market, unfortunately, right? Because they're just a network. They build the relationships with all the brands. You come here and you find the right brand that you want to promote, and then you can promote it to your list, okay? Now, in terms of commissions, it really depends on what you're promoting. The thing is, a lot of the service companies and a lot of the coupon companies and a lot of the physical product companies, unfortunately, they don't pay that high in commissions. A lot of them pay under 10% commissions. So if you sell a product for $100 and you're making 10% commissions, you only make $10. It's not that much money. So it becomes a volume game, which means that you need a lot of followers, or you need a big website, like a big blog or a big website that people come to all the time, all right? Now, there are offers that do offer slightly higher commissions, 30%, 40%, 50%, but they're not that common in Pepperjam. They do have them, but they're not as common as the ones that are sub 10%. Okay, now there are networks out there that you can go to that specialize in higher commission rates, 40, 50, 60, 70%, that will make it easier for you to get into profit, and I'll share a resource with you right after this, okay? But just understand that's pretty normal for an affiliate network to offer a wide range of products in different niches, and generally the commission rates are fairly low, and so you're gonna have to make a lot of volume of sales before you make big money, okay? But overall, I think Pepperjam is a pretty cool affiliate network. They're owned by eBay, so they are super solid. I mean, the technology behind it is great. They work with a lot of great companies, so if you want to check them out, you can head over to pepperjam.com. All right, now if you're watching this video and you're an absolute beginner, you're like, Aaron, I don't know how to do this, I want to learn how to make money online by recommending some great products like Daily Beast or Condé Nast or BuzzFeed. How do I do that if I'm a beginner? If I've got zero following, I don't have a blog, I don't have a website, I don't have any idea how to do marketing, can you do this? Absolutely you can, okay? So if you're a beginner, or maybe you've tried affiliate marketing before and you failed, and you want to go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month minimum online, because you should be making at least that much, otherwise you're doing something wrong, okay? I've got a masterclass for free, you can check it out, and I'll show you exactly how to get the big commissions, all right? 40, 50, 60, 70, sometimes even 100% commissions. How do you do this right? How do you go from zero to huge, massive followings online? And I teach that all in my free masterclass. Just, if you click the link below, I'll send that to you and you can check that out if you would like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Pepperjam. Hope to see you on another review. Take care.